Inflation numbers for the week a slight rise to 8.98% for the week ended March 2011 from 8.31%. The wholesale price index has risen at an annual 8.98% on the back of higher fuel and manufactured product prices. Navika Kumar joining us on the phone line for more details. Navika, not a massive rise at the face of it, but definitely a cause of worry for the government.
Well, at the moment, the inflation figures just coming in, what will come as a little bit of relief to the government is the fact that food inflation seems to have moderated a bit, but it is fuel which has really pushed up inflation rates, and inflation rates in March are higher than the inflation rates clocked in February this year. So inflation continues to be an extremely important issue as far as the government is concerned, and already we've heard the finance minister say yesterday and a couple of days ago as well that any interventionist measures by the government or by the RBI at this stage could mean compromising on growth. So it's a twin problem, whether to really keep growth in mind or whether to really attack inflation. But for the moment, of course, inflation continuing to be a big headache as far as the government is concerned, and March inflation rates substantially higher than those clocked in February. 1%, almost a 1% increase in inflation rate is a huge issue of worry for the government.
All right, thank you for that, Navika Kumar there. Food inflation, though, has dropped, which will be a relief to the government, but overall inflation prices are up on the back of oil as well.